Welcome to English Academy. Today we are going to talk about one of the biggest secrets of fluency: how to think in English instantly without translating in your head. Most learners get stuck because they always translate from their native language into English. This makes speaking slow, stressful, and unnatural. In this video, I will show you step by step how to stop translating, how to build an English mind, and how to start speaking naturally like a confident speaker. So stay with me until the end because these methods will completely change your learning journey. Why translating slows you down. When you translate, your brain has to do extra work. First, you think in your own language. Then, you try to find the English words. Finally, you arrange them into sentences. This process takes time, and by the time you speak, the conversation has already moved forward. That is why you feel nervous and hesitate when talking. Thinking in English directly removes this problem. Step 1. Surround yourself with English. If you want to think in English, you must create an English environment around you. Listen to English podcasts, watch movies, read simple books, and follow English social media content every day. When your brain receives English all the time, it slowly stops depending on translation. Make English the language of your daily life. Step 2. Learn words with images, not translation. Instead of learning new words with your native language meaning, connect them with images, situations, or feelings. For example, when you learn the word apple, imagine the fruit, its taste, its smell. Do not connect it with the word in your own language. This way, the word goes directly into your brain in English. Step 3. Practice thinking in simple sentences. Start small. When you are walking, eating, or traveling, describe what you see and what you do in English. For example, say in your mind, I am drinking water. The water is cold. I like it. This daily habit will train your brain to create sentences instantly without translation. Step 4. Use English for daily decisions. Try to think in English when making simple choices. For example, should I eat rice or bread? I will eat rice because I am hungry. Talking to yourself in English during daily decisions makes the language natural for you. Step 5. Practice conversations with yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and speak in English as if you were talking to a friend. Ask questions and answer them yourself. For example, how are you today? I am good, thank you. What are you doing? I am preparing my work. This exercise makes your brain comfortable with English speaking. Step 6. Use English phrases, not individual words. Native speakers do not speak word by word. They use phrases like, how's it going? I'm just kidding. Or that sounds great. When you learn and use phrases, you do not need to translate every single word. Your brain produces natural English expressions faster. Step 7. Be patient and consistent. Thinking in English is not a one-day process. It requires patience and daily practice. Remember, fluency is built step by step. Even if you practice only 10 minutes a day, do it regularly and you will see a big difference in a few weeks. Common mistakes to avoid. Do not memorize long lists of vocabulary with your native meanings. Do not study grammar rules too much without practice. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Conclusion. If you want to speak English fluently, you must train your brain to think in English instantly without translation. Surround yourself with English. Learn words through images and phrases. Practice daily conversations, and make English your natural language of thought. Start today, stay consistent, and you will notice yourself speaking smoothly and confidently. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Academy for more powerful lessons that will improve your English fluency.